Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another clean with me, but first let's do today's quote, and it's from Alexander the Great, and it says, "I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I'm afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion." I found this quote so profound because I feel like it just tells us we have so much potential depending on our habits, who we surround ourselves with and around, who our friends are, who we watch on YouTube, television, social media, etc. So I feel like we could all be lions, or even, sheep led by lions. We all have the capacity to do great things. Now back into the cleaning. I decided to do kind of a deep clean on my bed. As you can see, I dusted my headboard because my dog sleeps in my bed, which is why I'm actually vacuuming the mattress, because I wanted to make sure all of her dander was off of my mattress, and all that quote-unquote dust was actually dog hair that had fallen down. There's like a little wooden beam onto that wooden beam, so I made sure all of the dander was just swept up, and hopefully allergy season won't be as bad.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us, so let us dance this night away.
Now I'm heading into my office where my vanity is. I'm going to go ahead and put away all the makeup that I had out, and my skincare as well. I'm also going to wash my makeup brushes, which not a lot of people do, and I kind of wanted to share why I recommend doing it. I have a spray that you just spray on the brushes and you wipe with a towel, and all the makeup comes off and it's like a brand new brush. If you do this like a few times a week, You won't have to throw away your brushes. You won't. I've had some of mine since I was like 12. So it's magic. It's not very expensive. It's really easy to do. You can also do this with like soap and water, but for just a quick spot clean, I like to use my Perrier Spirit brush cleanser. A link will be down in the description to all my cleaning products if you're interested in it. I don't get a commission or anything, but I thought that it would be interesting to share since not a lot of people do this.
We don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. That ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'll never be brave. My exes made me this way. That's not what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I don't really care if I hurt your feelings. I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. 'Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love yous. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. That ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'll never be brave. My exes made me this way. That's not what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. No, that ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'll never be brave. My exes made me this way. That's not what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean.
I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick clean with me. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from it and it motivated you guys to clean your house. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite part was, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.